Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Google Maps API key. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here at Google Maps, just click on the Create Account option. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, once you are here, there are several reasons why getting a Google Maps API key might be beneficial because for one, you can customize maps according to your needs, whether you're building an app, website, or integrating maps into a software solution. Having a key allows you to tailor the maps to fit your specific requirements. Now, in the event that your application or website requires a location-based services such as finding nearby stores right here, or nearby commutes and transit, or even convert coordinates to an address, or calculate distance, the Google Maps API provides robust geolocation capabilities to fulfill those needs. Now, for us to be able to get a Google Maps API keys, the first thing we need to do is go here in the API and services. Click on it. Now, once you are here, remember that Google Maps platform products are secured from unauthorized use by restricting API calls to those that provide proper authentication credentials. Now, these credentials are in the form of API key, a unique alphanumeric string that associates your Google billing account with your project and with the specific API or SDK. Now, before you begin, you need to have a project, all right? Select a project or create a project, but that needs to have a billing account and the Maps JavaScript API enabled. All right. Now, the first step we are going to do is to create API keys. And as remember, the API key is a unique identifier that authenticates requests associated with your project for usage and billing purposes. All right. Now, click on the API and services right here in the left side panel of your dashboard. As you can see, you can integrate routing and directions from commutes and transits functionality into your application or website. Now, it allows users to find the best routes between locations, estimate travel times, and provide turn-by-turn directions. Now, the API also allows you to convert addresses into geographic coordinates, just like this one, right? And then via the latitude and longitude and vice versa. Now, this feature is particularly useful for applications that involve location search or address verifications. You can also overlay various data layers onto maps, such as heat maps, markers, and polygons right here. You can add markers, and this is very valuable for displaying business locations, demographic data, or any other spatial data relevant to your application. Now, Google Maps API integrates seamlessly with other Google services, such as Places API for location-based information. And as we discussed earlier, you need a billing account for you to be able to proceed, because when you click on the APIs and services right here, as you can see, you will be prompted to get or provide your payment information verification. All right, and all I have to do is just add a payment method, and from here you can add credit or debit card, add a bank, it's up to you, and then just hit enter and follow the on-screen instructions, because once you verify your card to get started, all right, you'll get $200 monthly credit at no charge for Google Maps API. And of course, you can start building right away. You can launch a pre-packaged solution in minutes or create one yourself using advanced code samples and comprehensive documentation. Now, if you have clarifications or you are lost during the whole navigation process, just go here at the Google Maps platform help section, wherein you can set up your Google project, create a project, and a lot more about using Google Platform API. All right, there's a lot. There's a step-by-step guideline that could help you start and get your Google Map API keys. All right. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.